Good morning. It's Thursday, November 9th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Radar showing a little light reflectivity in North Georgia moving through metro Atlanta. Most of this did not reach the ground, but still showing the possibility of a light shower or two up around Buford, South Hall County, over into Jackson County, and a few light showers possible along the I-85 corridor. But again, most of this is not actually reaching the ground. We're just seeing some cloudy skies in North Georgia. Mix of sun and clouds throughout the rest of the day for most of the state. As we get started with mild temperatures, this is a sign it's going to be warm this afternoon. 63 at the Atlanta airport, 50 in Macon, Savannah, and Albany checking in at 57. So for the most part, mid to upper 50s and some low 60s around the state. Checking out the tropics. Not a lot going on. No real big chance of seeing anything over the next 48 hours. Some of the less reliable models seems to indicate that we could see another tropical system come out of around Central America and then move up pretty close to South Florida, but no impact on us, and that'll be next week. The reliable models say probably not the case. But one way or another, we're still in hurricane season, and we'll be through the end of this month, so we'll keep an eye on that. As for us, well, we have some changes on the way. As for today, a little bit more cloud cover than we've had the last couple of days. Still will be a warm day, but no problems as far as rain through the morning hours and the early afternoon hours. Also fairly quiet as well. Now we head towards 6, 7, and 8 o'clock. Here we go. Maybe a couple of showers popping up in northwest Georgia. That rain chance will only increase as we move through the overnight hours. That frontal boundary moves in closer. As we head into tomorrow morning, good chance of rain in Cedartown, Rome, through Dalton and Blairsville, and then metro Atlanta, maybe a shower or two in the late morning. We're really looking at connecting the dots here. The showers up in North Carolina, showers down in Alabama. We're kind of in between, and you don't see a lot of rain activity here. So most of the modeling indicating we may not see a whole lot of rain tomorrow, but that chance is there. That is a frontal boundary. We had the frontal lift. It would like to rain if it could, but just not showing enough moisture in the atmosphere to make that happen. So we'll see what actually happens tomorrow. There is a chance, but if the models are right, maybe not that big of a chance. Heading through tomorrow evening, also fairly quiet, but again, that frontal boundary is still there. And then it will start to actually pick up a little bit of steam as we move into Saturday morning. So that rain chance will pick up through the mid-state, especially around the Columbus, LaGrange, Carrollton area. And then through Saturday afternoon, showers likely pretty much anywhere in Georgia, but we'll see mostly cloudy skies and that cooler air also moving in. It'll be noticeably cooler in North Georgia, and still the cool air has a little ways to go before it gets to South Georgia. Saturday, 7 p.m., game time, kickoff in Athens. It's going to be cloudy. We know that for sure. It's going to be cool. 50 degrees will be the kickoff temperature. And again, looking at that chance of rain pretty much all day long. This is not a complete rain out, but it's just going to be enough rain in there just to kind of that you'll notice it. So how much rain are we looking at? Well, we can take a look at one of the model estimates. And this is the American model ensemble. We're showing close to 2 inches of rain along I-20 around Madison over toward Tolliver County and moving out into Augusta. So it looks like most of the rain there in the middle of the state. This is maybe overdoing it just a little bit. So this is showing, again, over an inch of rain around Atlanta. That may be a little high, and then we're showing that little swath area in South Georgia with no rain at all. So just expect close to an inch, maybe a quarter of an inch if you're in other parts of the state. This takes us through Sunday evening. So this is all the rain event that we have for the weekend. So we'll see how it actually works out. But quarter of an inch to an inch will be safe to say if you're anywhere around the state of Georgia. That's the very latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to the coast.